Hello everyone, and welcome to Crowdin. In this short video, we're going to show you how Crowdin Google Drive integration works. This integration allows you to seamlessly translate your content with Crowdin. Just upload your documents and spreadsheets for translation and download the translated ones back to Google Drive in just a few clicks. Let me show you how that works. To integrate Crowdin and Google Drive, you'll need to have a Crowdin Enterprise or Crowdin.com account and an already created Crowdin project. So first, we're going to install the app by visiting the Crowdin Marketplace. In the search bar, we're going to type in Google Drive or just Drive. Then click Install. To start the integration process, we'll go to our Crowdin project. Then click Integrations. Again, in the list of available apps, let's find our Google Drive. Click it. Now let's connect our Google Drive account to Crowdin. So let's click Login with Google Drive. Next step would be to choose or add an account from where you would like to share content with Crowdin. Now Crowdin needs you to allow additional access to your Google account, so just click Continue. After that, you have to choose which files you want to show. I'm going to choose Show My Own Files. Click Save. Now we're on the integration screen. On the right are all my documents and spreadsheets in Google Drive, and on the left are only ones that I have already requested translation for. To upload documents or spreadsheets to Crowdin for translation, I just select them on the Google Drive side and then click Sync to Crowdin. Now I'm ready to order professional translation for my content, or I can have an automated Crowdin workflow configured to order translations whenever I synchronize new content to my project. I can see the translation progress in the status bar. Now let's check how my document appears to translators. A manager wouldn't typically visit this page very often. I just wanted to show you that Crowdin tries to provide as much contextual information as possible. This is my document in the Crowdin editor, rendered as accurately as possible. Important to mention that documents will be converted to docs format and spreadsheets to XLSX for translation. You will be able to post and edit translated files in Google Drive after the translation. When the translations are ready, to synchronize the translated file back, just simply select it and click Sync to Google Drive. If you want to synchronize the translated file to another account, you can click Log Out and then choose the account that you need. Now let's return to Google Drive to check out our translated file. This is my document translated to French. Looks pretty good, right? Just a reminder, for demo purposes, we have set up a workflow without professional translations. This document has been translated via Crowdin Translate, a machine translation engine. And that's it. Now you know how to integrate Crowdin and Google Drive, but there is a lot more to discover, like automatic synchronization. With Crowdin's vast area of features, you can efficiently translate your content into many different languages. Find the link in the description to start your free Crowdin trial. Thanks for watching!